franchisors that might be watching this, or brands that are thinking about how they can, whether it's jumpstart growth or get back to where they were pre-COVID, what would you want them to know about working with SeoSamba and kind of the experience that you've had?
Well, I would say with SeoSamba, you're going to get more than what you asked for. They're going to provide value in areas that you didn't realize you needed. And I know it's happened to me time and time again. Michelle, it was talking to me this morning about, do you know what's going on? And I went, oh, I had no idea. No one's ever brought that to my attention. And he, for no reason, there was no reason, there was no financial benefit for him to say it. He was just saying, do you understand, if we just do this, and it was a very small monetary amount of money, this little thing that we have done that maybe you didn't know about, he has a way, and his whole team has a way of really, again, making their value much more than what you could ask